In this video, I'll show you how to add private channels on Roku. Step 1. Log into your Roku account. On your computer or mobile browser, go to my.roku.com. Sign in with the same Roku account linked to your device. Step 2. Go to Manage Account. From the account dashboard, scroll to the Manage Account section. Step 3. Add channel with a code. Click or tap Add Channel with a code. Enter the private channel access code provided by the channel developer or source. Step 4. Confirm addition. Click Add Channel. A warning message about unofficial channels will appear. Accept by selecting OK or Yes Add Channel. Step 5. Update your Roku device. On your Roku device, go to Settings, then System and System Update. And then check Now. This refreshes your channel list and installs the new private channel. Step 6. Access your private channel. Return to the home screen. Scroll through your channels to find the newly added private channel and open it. Now I have some tips and notes for you. Private channels may contain unvetted content. Proceed with caution. Some private channels may be region restricted or require additional subscriptions. Keep the access code safe for future reinstallation. And that is how you add private channels on Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.